Over here at the main library in Glendale. This is How Lucky Is Press at How Lucky 11 on YouTube. Fire alarm was going off inside the building, saying there's a fire in there. So far I haven't seen anything. Here comes the fire department. They're right down the street, literally next door. Everybody's just kind of hanging out outside, wondering if it's a false alarm or what. Come the real heroes. Maybe they're telling a false alarm. Let's go see.
Hello. Howdy.
Where's your pants?
I'm off the truck. There's a fire.
The real heroes there.
So they're going to have sex, right?
Have sex.